Intermittent fasting is linked to a 91% increase in the risk of death from heart disease, according to a study, anyhow. Generally, people who do intermittent fasting have lower blood pressure, lower blood sugars, overall are in better health than people who do not. So, this study saying that there's a 91% increase in mortality doesn't make much sense. For those who don't know, intermittent fasting is a strategy where you limit your food intake to certain hours in the day and then fast for the remaining hours of the day. There's other strategies as well, but we're not going to get into those. The typical strategy is to eat within an 8-hour window and then you fast for the remaining 16 hours of the day. This current study found that if you limit your calorie intake to just 8 hours a day was linked to the 91% increase in cardiac mortality. Now, the American Heart Association only published an abstract, leaving everyone wondering what were the study protocols, what was the exact data. Just an abstract was published, and that was it, which calls the study itself into question. If you can't look and review the data, how do you know that the researchers weren't just full of it? Some people think that this study is biased because intermittent fasting is also useful for losing weight as well, and very good weight loss results in general. And there's a lot of weight loss drugs on the market that just aren't being sold at the volumes they could be being sold at if it wasn't for intermittent fasting. So some people think that this might be a scare tactic to scare people into stopping intermittent fasting and going back to pharmaceuticals. Thank you for watching. My name is Dewayne Hughes. Please hit the follow, like, and favorite buttons and share this out to everybody. And tell me in the comments, what do you think about this study? Do you think it's a legitimate study, considering we don't have data or just an abstract on it? Or do you think that this right here is some sort of study to try and get pharmaceuticals selling at a higher volume than before?